On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm showing you how to make lightweight feel heavy at home during your workout. Hey guys, Brad Gusser here from LiveLeanTV. Now with so many gyms being closed, more and more people now have to transition to working out at home, me included. Now one of the problems most people face when working out at home is the lack of weight. So today, I'm showing you 5 ways on how to make your dumbbells feel heavier. But before I do that, make sure you tap that like button down below, guys. It's just a small gesture that really helps us teach more people how to live lean 365 days a year. All right, so here's tip number 1 on how to make lightweight feel heavy at home. Number 1, increase the time under tension with slow eccentric lifts. So we indicate tempo counts inside our workouts. Now, the tempo of a lift is simply defined as time in seconds it takes to lift and lower a weight. Now, the most effective way to make your dumbbells feel heavier is to slow down the lowering of the weight. So for example, the first number in the 4-digit tempo references the eccentric portion of the lift, which is typically how many seconds to lower the weight. So if you only have access to light weights and the tempo in the program tells you to lower the weight for a 3-second count, increase that time under tension. So rather than lowering for a 3-second count, lower for a 5-second count. This will help increase the time under tension for that targeted muscle, thus making the light dumbbell feel heavier. Tip number 2, add an isometric hold at the beginning of the exercise. So similar to the first tip, adding an isometric hold at the beginning of the exercise will increase the time under tension and pre-exhaust the muscle. So depending on how light the weight is, complete a 10 to 20 second isometric hold at the most difficult range of the exercise prior to completing the indicated number of reps in your program. So the bigger the discrepancy of the weight, the longer you should hold the isometric hold. So for example, if you only have access to 10-pound dumbbells, the isometric hold on a dumbbell front squat will be longer than the isometric hold on a standing dumbbell bicep curl. Okay, tip number 3, complete unilateral variations of the exercise. So for example, if you only have access to light weights, but the program calls for a dumbbell flat bench press, use only one dumbbell at a time. So this loads up one side of the body, which makes the exercise less stable, thus causing your muscles to work harder to stabilize the movement. Another unilateral variation is the alternating dumbbell flat bench press. So again, this alternating movement creates more instability, thus requires more muscle activation. And finally, if your weights are really light, you could keep one dumbbell in an isometric hold at the most difficult portion of the range, while the other arm completes its reps in full range of motion. Then you're going to switch sides after you're done. Tip number 4, complete 1.5 reps. So this is just another way to increase the time under tension. So rather than lowering the dumbbells, then raising them back to the top, complete a 1.5 rep. So for example, with the dumbbell squat, lower into the squat, then raise halfway up, then drop back to the bottom of the squat, and then come back up to the top. That's a 1.5 rep. Tip number 5, add resistance bands or wear a weighted vest. So adding resistance bands to your dumbbell exercise is a great way to increase the weight of the lift. And resistance bands are very affordable. So we'll put a link right here to the resistance bands that we use. So for the dumbbell flat bench press, place it around your torso, then loop the sides around the thumbs, grip the dumbbells, and complete your reps. You'll notice this makes it harder at the top of the lift as the resistance bands stretch. And another way to add extra resistance is wearing a weight vest. And here's a link right here to the weight vest that we use. A weight vest is great for bodyweight movements, but also for standing exercise as the added weight challenges more muscles in the body. Now to really challenge your body, you can combine any of these tips together. So for example, try a set combining all of them or just some of these together. So again, the slow eccentrics plus isometrics plus those 1.5 reps plus the unilateral movements plus resistance bands. And lastly, to increase the difficulty of your lightweight workout, you could also increase the number of reps or the number of sets, and you could decrease the rest periods. And lastly, these adjustable dumbbells are a good space and money saving option compared to buying 10 different pairs of dumbbells. So this set gives you a lot of options as it goes from 5 pounds to 50 pounds. So here's an Amazon link right here, and we'll put it in the video description below to get the same adjustable dumbbell sets that we use. And we're also super excited that our most effective ever dumbbell only at home workout program will be launched in less than 3 weeks, and it's called Afterburn DB. The DB obviously stands for dumbbell. So guys, this program design works amazing and will get you insane results, and we're so excited for you to try it. So click the link here or in the video description below to go join the Afterburn DB VIP list, and we're gonna notify you of all the free bonuses, the discounts, once the program is ready for you in just a few weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and keep living lean. Today's question of the day: which of these 5 tips was your favorite? Comment down below. All right guys, now it's time to go watch one of my dumbbell only workout videos. You can put some of these tips to use. Go click right over here and go watch.